Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I really fancy doing a halo eye because I feel like I haven't done one in a very long time. I do really enjoy those kind of eye looks. I think they're really pretty. And I did pick up my Ether Beauty palette, but I thought I've played with it for the last two videos. Let's try something else. So I've picked a palette that I haven't necessarily used that recently, and it's the Sosu Kaylee MUA Urban Bible palette. So I'm going to create a halo eye using this for today's video. So I really hope you enjoy, and if you're interested then please keep on watching. Okay, starting off with base. So today I'm going to go in my Hint Beauty concealer as my foundation and concealer for today's look. So I'm just taking my Expert face brush for this and just going ahead and applying it to the skin. Okay, then going ahead and setting with my 100% Pure Bamboo powder. Setting the T-zone and under my eyes first with my Real Technique setting brush, and then going over slightly a fluffy brush for the rest of my skin. Next, going my Lily Low Sculpt and Go Contour Kit, taking the sculpting side and using it to bronze up the skin. I definitely have to repurchase this again soon. This must be like my third or fourth one that I've gone through, which kind of just shows how much I really like it. Okay, now having said that, I am going to apply a different highlighter. Now technically this is a skin finishing powder. So Emily very kindly decluttered makeup, one she doesn't really use anymore. So one of the things was the Makeup Revolution Skin Finish in Luminescence. She also gave me another one, but this is the one I want to use today. So I think it is meant to be more of like a setting kind of powder, but I'm just going to use it as a highlighter today just to see how it works. See kind of what kind of glow it gives. I don't think it's going to give, let's say, like a beaming highlight because it's meant to be an all over skin powder. But that's fine by me because I'm not a huge, like, I don't like the really blinding highlights that are kind of glittery and shimmery. So this might work quite nicely. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely a very nice kind of natural looking glow to skin. So I'm just using my Real Technique setting brush to apply it to my usual areas. I mean, it definitely gives a very pretty natural glow to the skin. You can definitely see it for sure. It's definitely giving a glow, but it's not in your face. Like I said, it looks very natural on the skin. So the blusher is the Ritual Defeat Blusher in Delirium. So using my Real Techniques brush just to stipple it on, so to prevent any movement from products underneath. Okay, I'm going to quickly fill in my brows, prime my eyes, and then we can move on to the eye portion. Okay, so moving on to eyes. So like I said, I'm using the Kaylee Urban Bible palette. Oh, if I can get it open. So I think I want to opt for more of the reddy tones, like the kind of reddy brown, the purple maybe. Just so I did quite a brown tone look last time, even though it was a pop of blue. So I'm going to start off with the shade Sacrifice at the bottom here. I'm going to pack this onto the outer portion. And also the inner portion. Okay, I'm just going to quickly grab my face halo and just rub off the excess of that shadow from the brush. Then I'm going to go into, let's go into Unruly next. Same brush. I'm just going to use that to start blending out these edges. Kind of right in the crease. I'm going to go along the middle portion as well. So with the dark colour I missed the middle out. With this colour I'm going to go right across too. I think I mentioned this before, but Unruly I think is one of my favourite colours. Kind of love the reddish, brownish, purple tone of it. Now I did ask in my community section whether you'd want to see a Q&A and whether you enjoy watching them, and of all the people that did answer, everyone said yes. So I'm going to be doing a Q&A soon, so if you want to leave any questions on this video down below, just put Q&A next to it so I know it's for that, because I do like to answer questions in the comments, so just so I know it's for the video. And also, why don't you throw in a few assumptions as well, kind of things you think or assume about me, because I know it's kind of like the trend at the moment. I would just be intrigued to see what people say. But yes, if you leave everything down below, and I will probably be filming that on Saturday. It may not go up straight away, but I'm going to be filming on Saturday, so do leave any questions below and any assumptions below, and just put Q&A so I know it's for the actual video. This is the Luxie 235 blending. It says fluffier, but it's not much bigger. And I'm just going to use that with no product on for now, and just go back and forth and kind of go over the two colours to start mushing them together a bit more. Then on the same brush, taking Veil, which is the white in the palette, and use that, just gently going over these edges to make sure they are nice and blended. Just slightly go ahead and wing it out as well. Actually, on the same brush, I'm going to take a little bit more of Unruly and just go back and forth in the crease. I am just going to pick up a little bit of Sacrifice on the same brush, just to add right in this wing bit here so it kind of works together. Taking Unruly again, which is slightly more reddy purple tone, going over that. Fluffy brush, going with Veil, the white, and just make sure these edges are nice and soft. Because although I want it quite like dramatic and quite bold on this outer portion, I don't necessarily want the edges to be super harsh or anything like that. Okay, I'm going to dip back into Unruly on a brush and just drag that ever so carefully along the lower lash line. I'm not going to create the halo effect on there. I sometimes just prefer it on the upper lid. On a pencil brush now, I'm actually going to go into Sin, a little bit of Sacrifice, and go right on this outer portion here to kind of deepen up and kind of bring it into the wing. To finish it off, just taking a fluffy brush, going in with Veil, and just very lightly go over these edges, because I still want the drama, just maybe slightly more blended. Okay, on my finger I'm going to take some 1966 now, and I'm going to pop that right in this inner portion, because I think purples and bronzy golds are really pretty together. I'm going to bring it right up through the crease. And I will blend the edges out in a second, I just want to lay that colour down. I'm just going to take a small packing brush, picking up some 1966 again, and just really going right in the centre bit of it to kind of make it pop. Just taking it into the inner corner as well. Okay, gonna load up my lashes, upper and lower, with the Lily Lolo Big Lash. Onto lips, going with my Bellicos lip liner in brown. And then just topping off with my Lily Lolo lip gloss in Whisper. Okay, so that is this look complete. So quite a bold, smoky eye, halo eye, which I really enjoy. I do love the combination of purple and kind of bronzy colours. I think it's really pretty together. So I really hope you enjoy this video and like this look. My next video will be much more of a wearable look for you, because I have had a request. So that is what I will do. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure you leave any questions or assumptions down below and I will be answering those soon. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and I'll see you in my next video.